This is the brief. I used this prompt to generate this image. Place the image in Photoshop. Now select Object Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now click on Layer Mask. Now create duplicate. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Use this color code and press OK. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Make it darker and press OK. Now click on Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert. Now select Brush tool and follow the process. Change the foreground color. Keep brush opacity around 80%. Keep brush opacity around 10%. Create new layer. Keep brush opacity around 30% and follow the process. Create new layer. Select Eyedropper tool and pick color. Select Brush tool, right-click and follow the same process. Keep brush opacity 100% and follow the same process. Create new layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Now add shadow in the object. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Keep opacity around 85%. Click on Adjustment Layer and Curves. Make it darker. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Right-click and create clipping mask. Click on Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Double-click on curves and adjust the darkness. Create new layer on the shadow layer. Select Eyedropper tool and pick light color. Create new layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select Brush tool and follow the same process. Change blend mode normal to screen. Keep opacity around 55%. In the brief, it is said to use bold font, so I am using bold font in the design. Brand promoting the buy one get one free pizza offer, so I'm write it in bigger for better hierarchy. Now make some changes for better visibility. Change the font color. Press Ctrl+J and click left and top arrow key once time. Repeat the same process 2 times. Now change font color.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm using Montserrat font for subheading. Now place the logo in the bottom. Double-click on the layer. Add color overlay. Now add fresh ingredients according to brief. I added steam to make it look fresh. Now place the ingredients here. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.